Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Project title is Efficient Keyword Hour Representative Travel Route Recommendation. Next we are going to discuss about our abstract. Keyword selection in web search helps to users to access relevant information without having to know how precisely they are queries. We aim to discover travel experience to facilitate trip planning. So we planning a trip. Users always have specific preference regarding their trips. Instead of restricting user to limited query options such as location, activities or time periods, we consider arbitrary text descriptions as keyword about personalized requirements. Moreover, a diverse and representative set of recommended travel routes is needed. Prior works have elaborated on mining and ranking existing routes from checking data. To meet the need of automatic trip recognition, we claimed that moreover features of place of interest should be extracted. Therefore, in this paper, we propose an efficient keyword hour representative travel route recommendation, which is proposed in our method. We use knowledge extraction from a user, historical mobility records or social interactions. Explicitly, we have to design a keyword extraction model to classify the place of interest related tags for effective matching with query keywords. We have further designed a route construction algorithm to construct route candidates and fulfill the requirements. So let's say see the flow diagram of our project. So this is the flow diagram. First of all, we have to start our project. Then next we are going to load our data set for our entire process. Here we have to use the check-in data for the travel recommendation system. Then next we are going to discuss about our pre-processing steps. So here we have to neglect our unwanted elements or redundant elements will be neglected here. After that we are going to calculate the distance prediction. So distance prediction is nothing but a process. Here we have to predict the distance with the help of latitude, longitude, regarding the places. So the distance can be predicted with the help of two things. The one is place based distance prediction, and then next we have to find estimation of prediction. So first place based distance prediction is nothing but each and every distance can be calculated regarding the place and latitude and longitude. So finally we have to estimate our prediction result. So after finishing the distance prediction, next we have to find out our POI. I already told that abstract POI is a place of interest which is calculated by the individual tags of the particular places in the location. In this place of interest is calculated with the help of two things. The one is location and then another one is state. When we enter our location and state, it should be calculate our place of interest will be calculated within the data set. Then next, finally we have to find out our KTKR. So here KTKR is nothing but keyword hour representative route recommendation. So here we have to give our query about like keyword. Then we have to give our keyword. It should be calculated successfully. Okay, then finally we have to suggest our query. So here we have two types of query will be arise. The one is place based query suggestion and another one is ID based query suggestion. So both queries are recommended with the help of distance. So finally we have to find our result in graphical format. So let's see the demo of our project. So just click home page.java and right click and give us run file. So efficient keyword hour representative travel route recommendation is the title of our project. Just click on the title. Here we have to select the data set for our process. So this is the data set. So just click that text area, and next process is pre-processing. Here we have to neglect our unwanted data set, and it should be loaded into database. So this is our data set which is loaded to the database. These are the attributes used in our data set. So click next. So here we have to calculate the distance measurement. So distance can be measured with the help of latitude and longitude. So distance should be calculated successfully. After that we have to estimate our distance city based. So it should be calculated successfully, and click next. So next we have to calculate our POI value. So POI is nothing but place of interest. So here we have to select our preferred location and state and country and restaurants. So this is the place of interest result, which is calculated with the help of location, state, country and restaurant value. So each and every place of interest should be calculated successfully. And the next we have to load our suggestion. Okay, so select the location and select any one of the state and select the current location. So our suggestion will be loaded successfully. Then next we have to load our place based distance classification. So here we have to calculate our distance calculation with the help of ID. Then next we have to calculate our keyword our representative travel rule. So keyword our representative travel means here I have to give any one of the keyword which is given by the any one of the city value. Okay, so these are the city value. So just I copy that city and give the query. So this is the query which is searched by the user. So KTKR will be viewed successfully. So this query will be displayed 2310 times searched by the each and different types of user. Okay, then next calculate time sensitive routing. So here we have to give the distance. So here we have to calculate our so just copy and give. So here we have to calculate our result. Okay, so these types of query it will be searched by the user. This is repeated query which is searched by each and every individual user. Okay, the next geofence social influence method will be calculated. Here give another one distance. Okay, it should be calculated successfully. Here we have to calculate our ID and name of the place, address of the place, city of the place, and that distance should be calculated successfully. After that we have to show our result versus KTKR and TSR. So demo is completed. Thank you for watching this video.